Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Here, in the series of talking about investments to grow your money, today I'll be sharing the name of the books to start your investing journey. Before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay posted with the investment videos. I have been constantly asked what sort of books I recommend to educate or to get familiar with the share market. So here I am sharing top 5 books on my list which are easy to understand even if you're starting your stock market journey today. The first book on the list is Rich Dad Poor Dad, an epic book written on personal finance by Robert Kiyosaki. The book tells the story of a boy with two fathers, one rich, one poor, to help you develop the mindset and the attitude about the personal finance. He briefly tells us about the financial knowledge one need to build a life of wealth and financial freedom. The book draws a line between what is an actual asset and liabilities, how the poor and the middle class work for money and rich have money work for them. It is not about how much money you make that matters, it is how much money you keep. The book talks about the various methods of managing the personal finances, taxes, and assets to help us get out of the rat race. The bottom line of this book is that rich people acquire assets. The second book on our list is The Little Book of Value Investing, a book by Christopher H. The Little Book series are masterclass books written by various authors giving their insights about investing. The most important lesson from the book is that you need to invest in the value based companies, and it very well tells us about how to select such companies for your investment. The book further deep dives into the importance of diversification, margin of safety in the stock market, and when to buy stocks in the stock market. It's a 212 pages short masterclass which is suitable for people planning to learn more than just what is investment and how you can create a wealth, as it talks about the key fundamentals and the basics of stock market. The third book on our list today is The Intelligent Investor, a book by Benjamin Graham, one of the most famous investor of all time. In this book, he talks about the three principles of intelligent investing, which are analyze for the long term, protect yourself from losses, and don't go for crazy profits. Instead, look for stable returns. Benjamin Graham emphasizes a lot on not losing money and stick to a systematic investment formula of fixing budget. You're going to invest every month in the stock market regardless of the price of your share. This investment Bible focuses a lot on value investing and averaging, which forms the base for the investors. I have been a huge fan of a Benjamin Graham work, and I personally do use these formulas when I need to do my SIPs in mutual funds, or even like when I have to average out some stocks. The intelligent investor gives you a very well idea of how you can lower down your risk, how you can cut on your losses, and you can create a massive wealth in long term. The fourth book on our list is Learn to Earn by Peter Lynch. The book presents a gripping case on the capitalism, economic growth, and the fundamentals of investing. It tells us about the needs of investment in the economic growth, where to invest your money, and the importance of the stock market. It is a very simple book to read, and very well tell us that if you want to become wealthy, one need to understand how money works in the economy. The book works as a complete guide for the beginners of the stock market, explaining all the important things about the stock market and investments briefly. If you are a beginner, this book is a no brainer because it starts from what is investment to the very fundamentals of your investing journey, how to invest and where to invest, what sort of differences are there in the market. If bank provides you this much return, what possibility the stock market can give you. He very well explains all these terms, all the investment terms, and all the cases why actually there is a need of investment for you to beat the inflation, to get along with the economy, to grow with the economy. The fifth book on the list is The Psychology of Money, a book by Morgan Housel, which tells us about the importance of money management. He very well talks about the personal biases and the emotional factors which plays an important role in our finance decisions. To become wealthy in life, you need to be disciplined with your money and your behavior. The book gives the new perspective towards creating a massive wealth through the power of compounding. Compounding only works if you can give an asset years to grow. You don't need high returns. You need decent and consistent returns is the key of this book. Extend your time horizon. Start as early as possible and wait for your money to grow. The psychology of money talks about the basic and the fundamentals of wealth management and personal finance in one's life. How and what is the importance of investing in earlier stage of life and how the power of compounding can help you in generating a massive wealth for yourself. So these are some of the finest books written on the investing investments and money which gave me a new perspective. I hope they do the same to you, and if you are planning out to read on them, please make sure that you go through them thoroughly and understand the risks, the benefits, and the basics of the investment. I hope you liked the video and I was able to give you some good insights about the books. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.